Alright, let's talk about something that's honestly blowing my mind lately. Audio zoom on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you've ever shot a video on your phone and wished the sound was as clear as what you were seeing, you're not alone. Phone mics have come a long way, but Samsung's audio zoom feature? It's on another level. So what is audio zoom and why should you care? Imagine you're at a concert or maybe your kid's school play. You're recording from way back, but the person you want to hear is a tiny dot on your screen. Normally the phone just picks up everything. Crowd noise, people talking, even that one guy coughing 2 rows behind you. With audio zoom, when you zoom in on your subject, the phone's microphones actually focus on the sound coming from that direction. It's like having a real-life audio spotlight. Let's get nerdy for a sec. The S23 Ultra packs in 3 microphones, and they work together like a team of tiny detectives. As you zoom in, the phone narrows its listening field, boosting the audio from your subject and dialing down everything else. The difference is wild. Background noise fades, and suddenly you're hearing only what you want. It's almost like magic, but it's just really smart engineering. Here's where it gets practical. I'm talking clearer vlogs, interviews that actually sound professional, and family videos where you can finally hear your kid's voice, not just the chaos around them. No fancy gear, no microphones clipped to shirts, just point, zoom, and capture the moment. Think about travel videos. You're filming a street performer and you want to hear the music, not the tourists chatting next to you. Or maybe you're documenting a nature hike, zooming in on a distant bird. The S23 Ultra hones in, bringing those sounds to life. It's all right there, built into your phone. Now, is it perfect? Look, it's not going to replace a dedicated shotgun mic, but for everyday creators and anyone who loves sharing moments, it's honestly a game changer. No more muffled memories or lost voices. Bottom line, audio zoom on the S23 Ultra isn't just a cool gimmick. It's a real tool that puts pro-level sound in your pocket, making your videos look and sound amazing. If you're into tech, content creation, or just want better memories, it's worth checking out. If you've got the S23 Ultra, go try it right now. You might be surprised how much it changes the way you capture life. Thanks for watching.